Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration and differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. This one we need to change by dy over dx. So dy we put on the right, ds will go to numerator, y will go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, I will concentrate about this one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to ln. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides. This one we change by u. This one we change by du. The integration of u, we have u squared over 2, and I will put about c. This one we have s squared over 2. This one we change by this one, and u that's it about ln. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.